winter, you may say. What a lovely time it is. Who doesn't love winter? It's snowy, right? I hate winter. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, this. I can't wait to take all that snow into my house. Oh, it's gonna be fantastic. No. The winter. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I'm probably over exaggerating a bit, but I hate this time of the year. Not only am I fully wet all the time, my hands are freezing and cold all the time. I have no grip whatsoever. I'll fix it a bit, yes. Now you should be able to see me. I'm sorry for that. I just attached it to a baby buggy. I'm not able to use most of the sidewalks, pathways. So most of the time, I'm not really able to go out. And when I am, and I'm returning home from that, sandy or salty road, I need to start by cleaning the floors. It's just annoying. It's not that I hate it. I've been to Norway a couple of years ago. I thought it's gonna be horrible. I thought, because wheelchair and Scandinavia, it doesn't play very well together, doesn't it? Someone's coming with a car. I need to make some room for him, but I can't. There's tons of snow all around. We made it somehow. I also wish I break my spine. Because right now I'm feeling my legs and I really don't want to. I'm freezing. I believe it's the end of the road for me. Yeah. So not really many places I can go with my wheelchair, with the baby buggy. I barely have any grip. My hands are freezing. Against the law, I'm using the road. But I'm kind of glad. I'm, complaining a lot, but the truth is, I'm doing a good job by going out for a walk, or a ride in my case. Even in a horrible weather like that. Kid is forcing me to. The dog was forcing me to it before. And actually that's a great thing, because I'm trying to go out every day. Last year's winter, we started to go out with a dog. And now we're doing like 6-7 kilometers a day. I think it's a good thing. Not every day, obviously. Sometimes the weather is just too horrible. Sometimes I don't want to. But whenever I'm forcing myself to, I don't regret it. But the winter time is definitely harder for a wheelchair person, for a disabled ones. First, when they sand the snow, the ice on the roads, I'm bringing it all back to my flat, which is annoying, because when I don't clean it, I can hear it scratching my floor, And and I laid that for myself. I don't want it to be scratched, so I need to clean it. But it's also wet. So then I need to mop it. So going out for an hour of a walk for me means an hour of cleaning after that. Or maybe I'm just a psycho, you know? I don't know. I never considered it this way, but I don't think I am. I can barely feel my hands right now, and I'm out for like 30 minutes only. I'll need a recovery after that. But, as I said previously, it's a good thing that I'm doing. The dog is having some fun, if you could see it. There's also a difference between wheelchair and normal people. Usually, walking people trousers are not as wet as mine. I'll show it to you. Maybe you could see it right now actually. These are fully wet. I'm fully wet right now. So everything goes to a dryer. Not only a jacket, but trousers as well. Wait, a car is coming. I need to let it pass. I think you can make it. What else? I'm losing my grip. First, when it's cold, it's not as strong, right? And second, it's wet as f***. I'm really struggling right now. Pushing my wheels. But you know, I'm complaining a lot right now, as I love when it's like hot and, you know, 30 something degrees. So, as I said, I'm complaining, but I really like it. Yes, I made it. Let me go on the bike road maybe. No one's riding the bike in the weather like that, so I can use it. Oh, I'm stuck. I didn't expect this one. And yeah, I'm constantly using bike lanes. I'm way more entitled to it than bikers. Just, you know, how many wheels do I have right now? I'm like 8 wheels with a baby buggy. And how many regular pathetic biker has? Like 2? That's just... Right. I think I should get in the car and get back home. I'm soaking wet. Oh my god. See? I think I've picked the most horrible weather that I could for this video. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm getting close to my car. But at least I've recorded a video for you. Which is a good thing. Because I didn't have an idea for this week. Alright, I'm out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Don't forget all the social media stuff. And I will see you next week.